For the first scenario, open treatment of chronic sternoclavicular dislocation. This procedure would be recorded with what code? So we're going to go to our CPT manual, look up the main term of dislocation in your index. Next, scroll down until you find the subterm of sternoclavicular joint. Next, scroll down until you find the subterm of open treatment. This provides two different codes, and you'll check your tabular, noting that 23530 would be the most appropriate as there is no graft in the procedure as described in 23532. For the next scenario, reinsertion of spinal fixation device, this procedure would be recorded with what code? In your CPT manual, look up the main term of reinsertion in your index. Next, scroll down to spinal fixation device. This provides 22849. Check your tabular. This is the most appropriate code. The last scenario, tendinomyotomy of the shoulder, single tendon. This procedure would be recorded with what code? In your CPT manual, look up the main term of tendinomyotomy, then shoulder. This will give you 23405 and 23406. Check your tabular. 23405 is the most appropriate since this is only of the single tendon.